Okay, I got my ingredients for the moose hide solution. I got water, I got lard, I got sunlight dish soap. No, this is not the dish soap, this is the bar soap. Sunlight, so I grated it in small pieces, and I got 1 cup of lard. So, throw that in. And then I got some hot water, so we'll throw the hot water in there. I got a 5-gallon bucket. I'll throw a little bit more, maybe another half of water. See, so because I was concentrating on filming, I forgot that I actually gotta melt the lard in a pan first. So I'll pick it out of there, go melt it in the pan, and then throw it in here. We got the melted lard. Mix it in there. Just gonna keep stirring it. That's pretty much it for the recipe. There's a lot of different recipes. I tried, because I gotta soak the hide like 3-4 times, so I tried different ones. My friend Joey Awashish, he says instead of these things, the lard and the sunlight soap, you can use dishwasher dish soap. So I would use about half the bottle. He said about half the bottle, and then 1 cup of vegetable oil. And it's the same idea, so it's just soap and a fatty, some sort of a fat, and yeah, and every time you're gonna repeat it. So the cycle we're gonna do, we're gonna soak it, we're gonna wring it, and then we're gonna work it, stretch it, dry it, and then you would repeat that 3-4 times. I'm gonna soak it probably 2 days just to make sure it's nice and wet. It's supposed to be nice Thursday, Friday. So Thursday, Friday, the nice weather, 15-20 degrees, be able to dry it pretty quickly and work on it. And today we're only Tuesday, so that'll give me 2 days. Alright, this is the hide. Throw it in there. If you guys want to check out my other videos, this is just on the solution, but I showed you guys pretty much from start to finish with that hide over there, what I did, and then with this video on the solution. feel like I might need a little bit more water just so that it'll soak good. Throw a little bit more water. There's also another solution is water, 1 bucket of water, 1 cup Downy, and then a few squirts of dish soap as well. But it's the same idea. You're just cleaning the hide, you're getting rid of the bad smells in it, and you're making those fats pretty much go in the hide. And when the key is when it's almost dry, you want to keep working it and moving the fibers while it's drying, and that's how it'll get soft. Because if you just leave it dry and not like touch it, not move it, then it'll harden again. So that's kind of the key, is to keep it moving, keep working it while it's drying until it's fully dry, pretty much. And stretching it too. Stretching it is so important because it separates those fibers. See, I'm just stirring it, mixing in the soap with the lard and the oils, helping it it's nice and white color now. Alright guys, that's it for this video, just on the solution. So I'll let it soak for a day or two, and then I'll see you in the next video. We're gonna wring it and then stretch it and dry it, make it soft just like that one. It's gonna be soft like this. And then after that, once that's done, then we can do the sewing of the jeans on it, and the final smoking with the punky spruce, which you saw in my last video on this hide. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys soon. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe.